Presenting a pre-owned 2023 Mini Cooper. This two-door hatchback has engine with front-wheel drive and a 1-speed direct-drive transmission. This Mini is a great value with less than 22,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 119 miles per gallon in the city and 100 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, moonroof, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and anti-theft alarm system.